Step.
We need to strongly condemn that statement by pop singer Hema Sardesai, where she claims that 10% of the protesters demanding justice for Father Bismarque Dias are doing it with political intentions. My question to Hema Sardesai is, which calculator did she fiddle with to come to a conclusion that 10% of the protesters demanding justice for late Father Bismarque Dias are politically motivated? I have known Father Bismarque Dias for over a decade. We have worked on various issues, and I have never seen Hema Sardesai at any of the agitations, and I have never seen Hema Sardesai along with Father Bismarque Dias. So what has prompted Hema Sardesai to suddenly get up from her slumber and make such a reckless allegation? Hema Sardesai is a close relative of former Chief Minister and now the Defence Minister of the country, Manohar Parrikar. So the statement made by her is very suspect. We need to get to the bottom of the truth as to how Father Bismarck died. All the people of Goa need to know is the truth, but nothing but the truth. Whatever the reason and whatever the circumstances be in which led to the death of Father Bismarck, the whole truth needs to be known by the people of Goa. And it is most unfortunate that persons like Hema Sardesai are making such reckless statements to just divert the issue.